Sunday, January 18th. Here's the Astro Excel for the next 2 weeks. I'll be off of this until early February. Then I'll put out the Astro Excel for the month of February. But for now, here is the week of the 18th. We are bullish on the green line above plus 20. We get up here to plus 40, 42, 43. Then we move back down into the 21st where we bottom out about 8 p.m. in the evening. And then we're up above plus 20, above plus 30, and hanging up there through Friday. So it's going to tend to be a bullish week. We'll see if the pattern of the market price bars follows the green line. The key blue line pivot points are going to be on Monday at noon. We've got a low here at 5 on the 20th, and we're inside the 10s until Wednesday at 1900. And then we don't get outside of that again. We've got one that gets near here on the 22nd, but that's 11 o'clock in the evening here. And then we've got the 2 on Friday, the 5 a.m., and then a big one here at plus 17 at 9 a.m. Moving to the following week. Now on the weekly, we have the pull down tab. So we just open the tab, click on the down arrow, and go to the 25th, and it readjusts and changes the chart. So into the following week, we're still above plus 10 as we get into Monday. And then again, we're getting up here, and we get above plus 40 on the 27th on Tuesday, later in the afternoon into the evening. Then we move down into the 29th, get a bump back up above plus 20 into the 30th, and then we're down through Friday. On the blue line, we've got a peak on Monday between end of day at 1700. The next peak is the 27th at 12 noon. Another break above the plus 10 at 2200 that day. And then on the 29th at midnight, we've got this big spike down at minus 17. Then this next spike down in 1900 hours at minus 19 on the graph. Then we've got a 9 a.m. on 9 to 10 a.m. on the 30th Friday. And then this one is after the market close. So that's what the next 2 weeks are going to look like. I'll be back early February to put out the Astro Excel chart for the month.